If you want to organize apps and pages on Google Pixel 10a, here's what you can do. So first of all, of course, we can change position of apps quite easily. If you press and hold your finger on any of these apps that you have on the home screen, you can drag them around in order to move them anywhere you want to. Of course, we can also move them to the next page in order to create a new page pretty easily. And if you remove something from a page, well, if you actually remove everything from a page, then of course the page is going to be removed. Besides that, we can go to the app drawer and we can add more stuff into the home screen by pressing and holding our finger on the app that you want to add to the home screen, and then if you start dragging it around, you can decide where it should be placed. Also, you can find the add to home screen button, which you can use to quickly add something to the home screen as well. It's going to be added to the last space available, I believe, on the home screen, and you can keep adding more stuff into the home screen if needed. So we can do something like this. Besides that, apps can be grouped in a folder. If you want to create a folder, you can just simply press and hold your finger on the first app that is going to be in a folder and drop it on top of another app in order to then quickly create a folder. You can change the name of the folder if you want to. You can set up the name however it should be named. There we go. If you want to, you can keep adding more apps into the folder just by dragging it over there into that folder. And in case you want to remove the folder, then you can, for example, take every app out of that folder. And if there's just one app left in the folder, then the folder is going to be removed. Unfortunately, the folder customization is pretty much non-existing on this phone. So if you try to, for example, make bigger folders or something like that, then you will not be able to do so. Still, folders are pretty great in organizing apps into different categories, depending on your needs, of course. And besides that, here in the app drawer, unfortunately, there is no additional organization as well. We just have like an alphabetical list, which is pretty straightforward. But you cannot add like folders in the app drawer or anything like that as well. So you just have the list of apps sorted alphabetically, and that is all. So that's pretty much all you can do in the case of organization of apps and home screen pages. So leave a like and subscribe.